life will be more hard in Nigeria. For all of you that have been embezzling our money, eating our money, you will see what will happen. Life will be more bad in Nigeria. And in Cameroon, go and tell Paul Biya, Kenya Gen Z have taught the whole Africa. Do you know now there are protests in different countries and Nigeria is planning their own? If Kenyans can continue protesting and the parliament is being dissolved, all the things, many things have been dissolved, and they say, no, it cannot happen. If that happened in Nigeria, it is coming, it's remaining like 10 days or thereabout. It's up to, just like now, from the 1st to the 10th of August, 1st of August to 10th of August, you are going to see what is going to happen in Nigeria. You will see the same thing is applicable to Cameroon. Paul Biya should be very careful from now. I have told Buhari, the president of Nigeria, whether they elected you by crook or by hook, you are the president of Nigeria. I have told you, I have told your ministers, I have told House of Assembly members, National House of Assembly. I have also told the senators, the Senate, where the law is made, that now is an acceptable time for you to leave. Even the aircraft that will carry you will not fly after now. Listen to me. You may call it anything. I don't want to know, but I need to tell you the truth. Kenyans have taught Africans how to become more strong. Remember, Kenyans are not violent people. They are not violent. But in Nigeria, Nigerians use hand to grip bullets. You know that very well. You know your country. You know whom you are yourself. You are very stubborn as I am looking at you. You are very, even the stubbornness, if you look at me, you will see the stubbornness in my face. As a person born in the east part of Nigeria, it will be very gruesome. It will be very bad. It will happen in a way that you people will not like. I have told you people resign and leave the shores of Nigeria because even the business you are doing here is at stake. The people will mount pressure on you. Your family is not free. Your businesses are not free. Even those mansions you have bought for your 12th and 20th generation will not survive it. It will not. I have told you as a prophet, I will not lie to you. All the buildings you have been using the money that belong to the people of Nigeria to buy will not survive it. They know you. Your account in Nigeria, they know how much you have. All these Gen Zs of Nigeria, Kenyans have taught Nigerians and the Africa in general what is Gen Z. The new generation, they know where you belong. Go, Baba, they know where you belong. That amount you have in your account, they know how much you have. Don't think you are free. The better thing you will do now is to withdraw money you have in your account and go to overseas and stay if you want to remain. If you want to remain. If your family want to remain, I have told you in my previous video, if you want to remain, use that money, go away from Nigeria for many years so that you will remain. If not, your house will not remain. They will come after you. They don't see you. Your property will be destroyed. They know. You know that. I have said this before time, long ago, before they told you that there will be what is it called? Protest. I have said it before. Your properties will not survive it. Army will leave you. Police will leave you. No police, even a police is at stake. Any police that shoot pa is in trouble. Is in a big trouble. Because the police that will shoot you is living in Nigeria. When his face appear before them, they will tell you he is living in Okek's house. They will come there and take you like a bird. So if you're a policeman, if you're an army man, join this protest they are doing. Join the protest if you know you are hungry. Join the protest if you know you are buying fuel. Cost of transportation is high. Just join them. Do not shoot anybody. I'm just giving you this warning. Police, army, no matter where you belong, whether immigration or no matter where you belong, Nigerian security and civil defense, you are a man o' war. You are guiding the university because man o' wars are in the university. If they tell you in the university, those ones that carry gun, man o' war Nigeria. If they tell you to shoot anybody, don't shoot. They are protesting for you. The protest should be you and others. If you are a uniform officer, a rifle handler by the government, please don't shoot. If you shoot, your life will be in danger. Don't. Don't try this. Don't shoot. Although the Igbo people are not protesting, but no matter how small that is protesting from Hausa or Yoruba, it will be hot. The Igbo people are protesting, but they are protesting for them to give them the sovereign state of Biafra. That is what they will be protesting for. And for them to leave Nnamdi Kanu, the first citizen of Biafra, to leave him. That is what Igbo people are protesting. But as for this protest, rain will fall on top of Nama and fall on top of the person who is chasing the llama, the cow. The cow. The rain will beat the cow and beat the person chasing it. This is where I tell you unadulterated truth. If you like, take it. If you don't like, go to hell. Go and hawk transformer and finish there. I don't even care when I am telling people the truth. I don't care who you are. I don't want to know you because I have a very big God. Oh. He's always by my side. A very big God. Oh. By my side, by my side. I don't care about you. I don't care. The only thing I care about you is the truth I will tell you, and the good things you will do is what I care about you. This is wonderful love where we disseminate love. Share this across to people. If you support me, if you don't support me, go to hell. I don't mind you. God bless you. For people that love peace, peace will be in your corner always, guiding you round about with your family. God bless you.